how to use a DeWALT Impact Driver. Now obviously first you want to insert your battery like that. Then you have this button here which is for forward. You push it in from this side so it's popping out. Is reverse. And other than that, there's no more things you can do with an impact driver. But one thing to note, it only takes bits like this with a hex cut out like that. If you have many bits without that, like this, you will need a bit holder with the hex cut out. So you'd have to put, to enter a bit, any bit with that hex cut out, pull back the sleeve like that, enter it in, and it'll lock into position like that. Then you'll be able to use your straight bits like that without the hex. Now, one thing to note on the DeWALT Impact Driver is that the trigger is variable speed, so you can press it lightly, and if you press all the way down, it goes its full torque. So you need a screw bit holder like that, or you need your bits to have that section cut out like that, and you can use it like that. Now an impact driver is mainly used to drill bolts and things like that into deep tough wood, and there's no torque settings, it's just full max torque. Once you press that trigger down, it'll just keep going and driving. If you want to know the difference between an impact driver and a DeWALT drill, then check out this video here where I'll tell you the key differences between the two. But hopefully that helps you out how to use a DeWALT Impact Driver. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.